Okay, hi everyone, welcome back, and in this video we are going to check out Dogecoin's price chart, and I believe unfortunately we are actually getting prepared most likely for another move on the downside. Why is that? The situation in here in the short term is kind of like the one that we have currently in Cardano, meaning I'm thinking we are probably having a correction structure in this whole area starting from this point, and it might be in form of an A, B, C, either a running flat or maybe an expanded flat, depending on whether we are going to take this high about, let's say, 18 cents or not. If we take it, this is going to be an expanded flat, and at that point I don't really mind Dogecoin having a retest of this importance right now, unfortunately, resistance area, and then what's going to happen, we are probably going to get a continuation of the move down. Now, do we have some more reasons to be maybe not necessarily optimistic? Yes, and we talked about this subject in the previous video. In Dogecoin, in this phase down, as you can see, we have clearly taken all the lows in here. And from this point to about this height, now finding an impulsive structure on the upside is extremely challenging. And now I'm going to say this is just a three-wave movement, either an ABC or maybe a WXY, generally some sort of a correction up and not an impulse. And well, this means in Dogecoin, at one point, probably soon, we are going to have another move down in order to take the lowest low down here about, let's say, 14.5 cents. And again, I want to be very clear. I'm not saying this is going to happen with 100% certainty. No, there is uncertainty in any market. We are here only talking about the probabilities, but based on what I'm seeing in here, meaning a slow and choppy move up, some sort of a three-wave movement, and followed by that, a very quick and a strong move down in form of a potential 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave, which and we took this global. Okay, I'm gonna say in Dogecoin we might be a bit more bearish than bullish, and this might be again an ABC structure, and before that we had in here a 5 wave. So on a higher degree, who knows, maybe this is 1, this is 2, and what's gonna happen next, we may see another move down into wave 3, 4, 5 in order to reach to about this important support, which is from weekly and daily time frame at the same time between 13 to about, let's say, 14.5 cents. So for now, we're gonna go with this scenario as our primary case, as long as we're not proven otherwise. Get a very strong move up from here, or maybe a bit lower, in order to get back above this important level, which the higher band of it is about the 20 cents area. Okay, at that point I may change my tone, but again, as long as I'm not saying that, I'm not really going to jump into that kind of bullish conclusions. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in Dogecoin. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.